Wow, let's make catfish pepper soup today. So in here I have my already washed catfish. I cut it up in the market, then came back home, boiled hot water, put on it, then washed out the slimy texture of the fish. Then I added my bitter fruit pepper soup spices, no seasoning cube, salt, and atarodo. I'll leave this to marinate for a while before I go ahead and cook it. I'll also be using a mix of ripe and unripe plantain in this catfish pepper soup. So let's go. Oh, it's going. It's going. This is the sound that happens. Sounds loose. So I have to be careful. So yeah, I have used pepper soup spices, but you see this one from Baker Foods is the bomb. Oh, they go do catfish with plantain. Chivo. Thank you for watching. I'll just cover it up, then let it sit for a while before I serve. Bye. See you in my next video. Let me know if you add plantain or potato while you make your catfish pepper soup.